Yeah, we're hanging out here in Club TWiT with my man, Mr. Victor. I really appreciate all of you all hanging out here with us. I'm looking here in the Discord. John A. says, I have a question for Ant and Victor. What do you want from Starbucks? Dude, only at TWiT.
Previously on TWiT. Hands on Windows.
Coming up on Hands on Windows, we're going to take a look at the top 5 productivity apps in Windows 11. And number 4 is going to really surprise you.
Security Now.
Can ChatGPT keep a secret that some employees of Samsung Semiconductor were using ChatGPT to help in their diagnosis and repair of some problematic proprietary Samsung code? The only problem was the uploads contained Samsung's sensitive proprietary information. Samsung warned its employees against using ChatGPT in their daily work, while the company develops its own internal ChatGPT-like AI for its own private use.
Home Theater Geeks.
I chat with Tomlinson Holman, the TH in THX. As the show is called Home Theater Geeks, it's the perfect place for you, Tom Holman, to come and talk about super geeky stuff.
Where do I join?
TWiT.
No membership needed. You are a charter member without question.